Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, you guys are back again for another unboxing. Today we are unboxing the charging station for your Xbox Series S or Xbox One wireless controller. Basically, most of the Xbox rechargeable battery. This is a charging station. It's by YCC team right here. So let's get into it. I'm down in the man cave today, so it's going to be a little rough and rugged with the video. Y'all already know. And I don't have my grandpa knife today. I do have a regular box cutter. So let's pop this baby over and see what we got. Oh yeah, that cut like butter too. Ooh, almost as good as the grandpa knife. So what we got here is the YCC team charging station. Battery capacity 1200 milliamps. Non-OEM replacement for S series. Unique apparent patent. Right here, compatible with all the Xbox Series S, Xbox One, SS. 4-piece battery packs can be charged simultaneously. You can charge 4 batteries at one time, 4 Xbox batteries at one time. So you need rechargeable batteries like me if you're a gamer and you hate when it goes out in the middle of the game. This is what you want. It includes 1 charging dock and 4 pieces battery pack. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Is this including 4 batteries too? I didn't even know that, you guys. Double check. And basically it says when the power is applied to equipment, the red and green lights flash alternately twice and do not light at standby. Charging, red, charge, green. So when it's charging, it's going to be red. When it's charged all the way, it's going to be green. Standby means no lights. And changes of the colors of the LED lights and produce appearance without notice due to the version update. So let's go. We're going to take this out. We got the actual base right here. That's what the base looks like. Right there. USB cable, of course. And you know we got the instruction manual. We don't never read that. And yes, I think it is, you guys. I think it actually is. Because I already had 4 batteries. Let me get these batteries out of here. So yes, it is actually some batteries that come with it. So yeah, I didn't even pay attention to that. I just bought it. Oh yeah, it is. It is 4 batteries that come with it. Yeah, yep, 4 of the batteries that come with it, you guys. I didn't even know that. I thought it was just the base station. So let me take this out and see right here. You see how you see the inside of this? You see the little indicators. What you want to do, you just want to line that up. Let me see if there's only one way for it to go. Yep, see, you can't put it in backwards. It goes like that. Like so. It just goes right in there. Sits right in there. And look, I even got this upside down. It's not going anywhere. So it's nice and snug in there. So let's do all 4 of these. Oh, man. I didn't even realize it came with batteries, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. Same thing. You come down here, click, click, and last one. Boom, it goes just like that. And look, all 4 batteries. Look, you guys, all 4 batteries. And then here's the location for the USB adapter. So we're going to put that in right here. That goes right here. Type C. That's connected. And now what we're going to do is we're going to... So we're over here to my Xbox X. This is my make sure you guys check out this video. I did a video on my headset. I got a LED headset base that's got USB ports on it. So make sure you guys look at my headset video. It's right inside, you know, the playlist. So let's plug this up right here. Plug it up to the USB. And there we go. It's flashing. So it's red. So red means it needs to be charged. And then when it gets all green, that means it's charged up. So there it is right there. Nice. Plus, you know, I got LED here, so I got some more LEDs. So I got LED all over the place. Let me try one. Now this right here, this battery, you see the 4 that's in here now. These are the 4 that came with it. This is a battery. Matter of fact, let's do this. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Those are the 4 over there that came with it. Let's put in the ones I already have. Make sure, number one, make sure they fit my existing one. Let's make sure it fits. Uh-oh. So, my existing battery doesn't fit. That doesn't fit. I've got another battery here. Let's see. Oh, these don't fit, you guys. My existing ones don't fit. Do they? Nah. They look like a smaller, may have a little tip or something on there. Let me make sure I got them in the right way. Yep. So these don't even fit. So the next thing I need to do is I need to make sure that these new batteries fit into my Xbox. So be aware that, you guys, this doesn't seem to fit. Nope, it doesn't seem to fit. So good thing, no wonder they gave you 4 batteries with it. I don't want to smash that, but it doesn't seem to fit those, because see, these, the one that came with it, they go right down. So now the real trick is, will this fit into my Xbox and will it work? We got positive and negative. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in my Xbox. First, make sure it fits into this. That's that. Okay, so it does work into the Xbox. So that's good. So keep that in mind, you guys. It doesn't fit for some reason. It doesn't fit the existing. Wait a minute, let me try something else, because I've got a couple of these batteries around. Yep, here go. I got another one right here. So let me try this one. This is the last one of the existing ones I had. Nope. See, they don't fit. This is an existing battery, so it doesn't fit for some reason. What's the difference though? Let's look at the difference. Let me the one in my right hand, let's bring it over here. See what the difference is. Okay, let's see what the difference is. The one in the right is the one that came with the kit. The one on the left is the existing one I already had. It looks the same though. It feels the same. So why doesn't it, maybe, let me see something, maybe. I don't want to break it, you guys, but let's see. Let's just see what's going on here. So this is the one that came with it. Boom, fit, no problem. Is there a little cap? Maybe there's a little cap. No, I don't want to break. Okay, so that's the one that came with it, and this is the one, like the one I already have. So yeah, because this is the little square part. So this is the little square part right there. And then let's see. Nope. Wait a minute. Nah, it doesn't fit. Does it? Nah, I don't want to press it. But what's the difference though? It seems like this one somehow is a little bit fatter. Okay. All right, you guys. So basically, when you get this kit, keep in mind that it does come with 4 batteries, but your existing batteries will not fit in this. So if you don't have rechargeable batteries, this is probably good for someone that has the S box and always used either the cord or you always had batteries. But this is good because it comes with 4 batteries. So I think I only had 3 batteries anyway. So and I had these for a while, so maybe it's just time to, I think once you charge something over time, I think it loses its charge. But this is good, so make sure you guys definitely check it out. I will have a link to this in the description. It comes with 4 batteries. Remember, it will not charge. Well, I haven't bought Rechargeable in a while. It might charge the new ones, but keep in mind, it says it's for Xbox series. Oh yeah, you know what? Xbox S1. I had the Xbox One though. These batteries are from an Xbox One. So, but basically, pick this up. The link will be in the description. It's a base and it comes with 4 batteries, so you got everything you need. Get some fresh rechargeable batteries. That's probably a good thing anyway. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next one.